Hello everyone, I hope you are well. My name is Maria Alejandra Vargas Rueda, Group 4. For this activity, I will answer the question of the video. Okay, explain each step mentioned in the video. Part 1. Relax. That is to say, relax and focus 100% on what you are hearing. You have more opportunity to understand. Part 2. Don't try to translate. If you try to translate spoken English into your language, it will be very difficult. So worry just about listening. Part 3. Use context to help you understand. Understanding does not only depend on listening. You can use other things, like body language, tone of voice, facial expression, and location, to help you understand. Part 4. Practice with different situations and voices. You shouldn't limit yourself. You should hear different types of English and different accents so that you can expand your listening. Part 5. Make a study plan. At the beginning, At the beginning of the video, they talk about some situations. Name a list 2 of the situations. In the video, they give us some examples. One of them, I am on a train with 4 non-native speakers from 4 different countries, all with different accents. In the second example, I am listening to an English teacher speaking British English, speaking slowly and clearly. In the minute 3:31, other language spoken. What language was that? That language is Portuguese. Which are the 2 rules for the 5th step? The first rule is do something every day. The second rule is do something different every day. What is the lesson plan that day? What kind of lesson plan would you propose? Monday. Listen to 1 or 2 songs 2-3 times each. Thursday. Listen to a podcast with American voices. Wednesday. Watch 15 minutes of a TV show from the UK. Thursday. Do a listening exercise from the textbook. Friday. Watch 15 minutes of a new show. Saturday. Watch 15 minutes of an old movie. Sunday. Call a friend and speak 15 minutes speaking in English. I would do the same study plan. How to stick to your plan? At the beginning of the week, I start with my plan. I shove a thing when my brain is relaxed. I read the tasks and cross them out every day in order. Having in mind the video, where can you obtain material to practice English? In internet. Thank you very much, everyone.